the Wayne. You can call me with. Did my speaker just die on me? Alright.
Really, nigga?
I look like a little potato. But a cute potato. Don't get it twisted. Purr. Period. Oh, what the? Okay, so y'all, this is like present me talking. But I did do my intro, but I didn't want my new subscribers to like click on my video and see my morning face. Y'all gonna see it anyway as you continue watching this video. But clicking on the video and seeing me look like a potato, that's a different story, okay? So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please make sure you watch the full video. Watch the outro too, because the outro is bomb. Why wouldn't you want to stay for the outro? Like, watch the full video for me, and make sure you like this video. Comment down below some more video ideas y'all want to see, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you don't already. Have your post notifications on if you don't already. Follow my Instagram. Let's just get into this video because it's a whole lot in this video. And yeah, should I start off the video looking like this? I'm probably not. I look bad. I don't look bad. I don't look like me. Let's just do the intro so I can get this over with. Hey Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers, welcome. I'm Drip Princess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
On my mind, soon as I get back, she can slip. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get mad. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around.
As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing another chit chat. Get ready with me. Basically like a life update. Yeah, a life update because a lot of things happen that I need to spill. Like I need to tell you. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for going back to school. I low-key don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. We've been virtual. I think everybody been virtual, but like we've been virtual for 2 weeks. And then yesterday, which was Tuesday, because Monday was Martin Luther King Jr.'s day. So we didn't have school. Before we get more into the details, what I'm about to tell y'all, everything like that, please make sure you like this video, subscribe, have your post notifications on, and yeah. So we didn't have school. No one had school, but no one should have school like on that day. A lot of things happened to me Tuesday. On Monday, I started my menstrual. Okay? All right. Yeah, that's nothing, right? All right. That's what you think. My dumb self decided to take 2 Aleve pills. The cramps were really hurting. I needed to take something, so I took 2 Aleve pills. But I took 1 Aleve pill at 1:44 p.m. and then I took another Aleve pill at 5 o'clock p.m. So I was like, no biggie. Nothing should happen, right? Right. That's what we think. So I went in the bathroom, you know, to change. Okay, this might be a little TMI. I mean, no, I'm not going to be too explicit, but I'm going to let y'all understand this basically what happened this week to me. I went in the bathroom to go change my pad. Cramps were kicking. I could not get off the toilet. I just couldn't get off the toilet. So I stayed on the toilet. Like so bad, I couldn't get off the toilet. I called my sister. Like it was really bad. My period usually never gets like that. It used to be like that when I was like 9 to 14. That's when my period was like very heavy, to the point where like I would literally lay on the floor and just cry. But then it started to ease up. Like I didn't really have to deal with pain like that because it was all good. Later that Monday, it was different, I'm telling you. So I sat on the toilet, nothing was coming out. It felt like I had to poop, but I wasn't pooping. But then I was not able to breathe. Texted my sisters. I got the exact messages. I want to reach out the exact messages because it sounded like I was on drugs. So let me go on a group chat. I text this in a group chat with my mom. No. That's not how it went down. That's not how it went down. So I text my little sister because my little sister, she was like, Talesha, if you need anything, let me know. So I was like, okay, thank you. And I text my little sister. I was like, I don't feel good. I can't talk or text. When I'm on my period, like on my first day of my period, like I cannot talk or text. And I know it sounds exaggerating. It feels like I'm using my last bit of oxygen to talk. my last bit. So I text my sister like, I can't talk or text. I said I'm not feeling good. I said I want to cry, and I said I hate this. She was like, first calm down. And she said, second, what's hurting you? Is it your stomach? I said yes. I said I feel like I have to throw up, and I said I need Dara. Dara's my other sister. I did feel like I needed to throw up. Like I kept gagging, and it was like bad. But remember, y'all, I'm still on the toilet. I'm still sitting on this toilet with. I was like, I need Dara. Dara's my other sister, because Dara is the mom of the group. So it's me, my little sister. We the party animals. Dara, she's the mom of the group. She's the one that baked cookies. She's the little mom, and she's the little grandma. Okay. Yeah. So I'm like, I need Dara because my mom, she wasn't here at work. She's a nurse. She works in ER. I'm telling y'all this for a reason, because it will come up later. Yeah. She said, okay, let me wake her up, because Dara, she was asleep. And I was like, okay, right? Yeah, she texted me. She's like, you okay? What do you want me to do? Dude, I didn't respond. I couldn't respond. Because during this time, I was texting in a group chat with me, my little sister, Dara, and my mom. So I'm like, I'm on my period. I don't feel good. I feel like I'm about to throw up. And like I said, y'all, I was gagging. Like I kept gagging. I ate pizza before I took the pill for my second pill. The first pill, I didn't eat anything at all, which was bad. And my mom kept telling me to stop but I still did it. This is where everything just happens. My little sister, she's basically telling me like she told Dara that I needed her. So I said in the group chat, okay, I don't know why Siri decided she felt like she could just interrupt my sentence, but that was disrespectful. I said in the group chat I took 2 pills. So my mom called me, but I couldn't pick up. Like I wasn't even texting right. I was not texting right. So Dara, she's like, stay in the bathroom or call mommy. I said I need help. And then Dara's like, what do you need, Talesha? And I'm like, need a scrunchie. I said I need a scrunchie. Like on my period, I don't want anything to touch me. I get annoyed easily, and I think that's for everybody. I mean, every female when they're on a period, I don't know, but it's for me, it's like another level. Like if my hair is down, I want to cut it off. Like, cause right now I just got my hair done. I got my hair in braids and it's long, so I was like, oh my gosh, I need to wrap my hair up. Yeah, this was the scrunchie that I used. So I'm like, I need a scrunchie. I need a scrunchie. Like I'm saying, I need a scrunchie. My mom is like, why did you? My mom can't text, y'all. 2 pills, basically that's what she meant. Why did you take 2 pills? She's like, for your hair, like you need a scrunchie for your hair. This is all like telling my mom that I took 2 Aleve pills. Those are the only things I take. Aleve pills. I don't take birth control pills. So I texted in the group chat, I need air, because at this point I'm hyperventilating. I cannot breathe. I'm not gonna say it felt like I was gonna die, because I didn't feel like that. I just felt so hot. But then once I had the air on me, I wanted it off of me because it was too cold. Like I'm so sensitive with my period. Like it's ridiculous. So, oh, let me text my sister. Dara, she like telling me to open up the door, but I couldn't open up the door because my dad, he was asleep. Plus, when you're on your period, you know you have that smell. And I don't want to hear no female in the comments say they don't have no smell when you're on their period. When you're on your period, you have a smell. It does not smell like flowers when you're on your period. Especially on your first day. Like, I didn't even text for all of this. Like, these are all like, you know. And I was like, oh my gosh, I need some air. Like, and I kept gagging and gagging. Like I said, y'all, my mom, she's a nurse. She works in the ER. So my mom was working this day, and my mom was calling me. She was like, Talesha, what's going on? She said she gonna get my dad, so my dad can ask me if I'm okay. I couldn't even say anything to him. Like I was like, Mom was like, okay, she coming home. Like my mom said, she coming home. So my mom, she came home. It took her a little minute. She's like trying to get me up off this toilet. I'm like, Mom, don't get me on the toilet. Please stop. And I'm continue gagging. I know y'all, I'm not doing anything. It's currently 5:15 in the morning. I really want to get done with this. I don't really feel like doing my makeup or anything. Like, I don't really feel like doing it. What the heck this is? Oh my gosh, that's ugly. Oh God. Anyway, I still felt like I needed some air, y'all. My mom was like, Talesha, you're going to the hospital. I'm like, no, I don't want to go to the hospital. I feel good. I'm not even exaggerating, y'all. I wish I could say I was exaggerating, but I'm not exaggerating. I just didn't want to go to the hospital. Felt like my mom, she couldn't handle it. So she's like, you know, trying to take me off the toilet, and she's trying to bring me downstairs, but I couldn't even get my balance, y'all. I could not get my balance at all. My sister Dara and my mom, they had to hold on me so I could get up and wipe myself, do everything like that. I was trying to run away from my mom because I did not want to go to the hospital. The reason why I didn't want to go to the hospital was I can't even make an excuse as to why I didn't want to go to the hospital, but I just didn't want to go to the hospital. She called 911, but you know, the ambulance came. Really tearing up, saying, no, mom, I don't want to go to the hospital. Boom. As she talking to me, I'm gagging. And next you know, I throw up. I throw up my dinner. I ate a really good slice of pizza, cheese pizza. That's it. I don't eat nothing else on my pizza. I don't have pepperoni. I don't have none of that. Cheese pizza. As soon as I threw up that, the people from the ambulance, they came in. I was crying, praying during that moment. Even though I was going through what I was going through, I was still praying. Enemy was working. I'm still saying like, I don't want to go to the hospital. My mom is like, Talesha, I'm gonna be right there with you. And that's all. I just want my mom to be right there with me. I don't care how old I get. I'll be 18, I'll be 20. I don't care. I want my mom to be right there with me. No jinx. I'm not trying to jinx it or anything. But I'm in a hospital bed or whenever, like, you know, I want my mom to be right there with me. When I first walked out there, one of them said that, you know, my mom, she can't come in the ambulance with me. I'm like, what? I was about to cry. What's wrong? I was like, I want my mom to be with me. You know, she understood because I'm 16, you know, they still look at me as a child. So they allowed my mom to come. The hospital that I was going to is the hospital that my mom worked at. They checked how much I weigh, laid in the bed. I put the gown on me. And it was very uncomfortable because I'm on my period. Like, we were waiting for a half an hour for the doctors to come in. I am like, what is happening? The doctor came in. Doctor gonna come in and say something. He said like it's a lousy period. Majority of females, you know, go through this. And he said since I wasn't feeling nausea or feeling dizzy or anything like that in that nature, my mom was the one that wanted me to go to the hospital. The doctor said it was nothing, so it's nothing, and I want to thank God. Like, I kept thanking God. But yeah, it was a rough little Monday. Tuesday, I was supposed to go back to school, but I didn't go back to school. I didn't want to go into school feeling the way I was feeling. Like, I was still feeling, you know, bad cramps. It was 5:33. So today is the day where I go back to school. That just turned into a whole story time, but it's all good though. Y'all see that? That is my period pimple. I always get I think every female gets this. A period pimple. It's either on your back, on your forehead, your nose, somewhere on your face. Well, I think so. But for me, it's always somewhere on my face. Before I had it on my nose and it was so bad. I have it on my forehead and I'm not liking it. I think I need to cover it up or something. Look at me, I get to in love with me. That you sprung off the free time, your free time. You need no me time, that's you and me time.
Thinking about you, you were cool enough to kick it.
I was on a plane, wait, call me with.
Did my speaker just die on me? It's okay. But yeah, let's just get ready for school because it's 5:52. 6 o'clock a.m. That's when you start rushing. My period still. I'm still on my period. I need to change my pad actually. Too much information? I think that's too much information. But I'm gonna get my outfit laid out first and then I'm gonna change my pad. And I'm still saying it. So the outfit that I'm wearing is very cute. Very me.
I say he's so sweet.
We got these light wash acid type of jeans and it has like distress right here. So we got these. I might have to iron them. Quick question, do y'all iron your clothes? I mean, I'm not even trying to be funny, but do y'all iron your clothes? Because I came across this TikTok where they said that they don't iron their clothes because it's stretchy or something. Where I'm raised, no matter if it's stretchy, no matter anything, like I iron anything. My dad, he used to iron our underwears, like t-shirts, like when we were little. He used to do all of that. But no, that's serious. Like, do y'all iron y'all stuff or y'all don't? I really want to know because I came across that TikTok and I was feeling like no one irons their clothes anymore because I still iron my clothes. Wow, I iron my clothes because I'm not trying to walk around here wrinkled. So I got the jeans. Now I'm going to get out the turtleneck and the jacket that I'm going to be wearing too. If I can reach, I will try to get my shoes because my shoes are all the way up in the closet and my bag too. It's all the way up in that closet, in my closet. And I'm not that tall. I do have a stool in here. let me unplug the iron. How did I almost forget to unplug the iron? I need to lotion my body. We're gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. I need to get more Dove deodorant, but right now I got this. But this deodorant right here does what it needs to do. And then I'll show y'all the perfume that I'm putting on later. I see y'all when I'm dressed. Have this bonnet off. And yeah. Okay, so I have on the outfit, but I don't have on the shoes because I don't feel like putting on the shoes right now. But I have on the pink long fur jacket with a pink turtleneck, this Michael Kors belt. Then for my jewelry, I just have on my name necklace and my name earrings. The bag is right here, but I'm about to put stuff in that bag. And then for my shoes that I'm gonna be wearing today are my Steve Madden pink heels. And you know, we're gonna be all pinked out, y'all. The pink disposable mask is right here. It's 6:48. This phone is charging really slow and I needed to hurry up. I'll put y'all on my bed now. Y'all are not on my tripod anymore. I should take off this bonnet. See what I'm working with. Oh, I need to bring my bandanas too for gym because when I take off my clothes, I don't want to mess up my hair. I don't want perfume. I'm going to be using. I never used this perfume. It's called Heavenly. I got this for Christmas and I want to try it. I want to wear it today. This is what it looks like. This is how I'm looking. I just heard a bus, but that's not my bus because my bus does not come that early and that's not my bus. But I need to take some pictures because this is giving. I'm about to go downstairs. I smell good. I look good. Everything is good. Turn off my ring light. I have pink blue light glasses. They're these. So, mommy, where's your keys at? Oh, God. Okay, so I'm back inside the house. And yeah, my mom is driving us to school. So, hey,
but if I worked at 7.
say hi, mommy. Hey! Hey, y'all, we're in the car. I so appreciate it. Hey, y'all, we're in the car now. I'm in the front. She usually sits in the front there. She usually sits in the front, but this time
I know, they throw me off. They always try this new crap.
Oh, but I got my shoes on, y'all. I got my pink, I got my pink heel boots on. The glasses are pink too.
You should have been driving to school.
That's what I'm saying. I should be driving to school with my, but I wouldn't be able to park. I don't have a parking spot, and I can't park in the
park. You and mommy will switch seats because you're leaving.
Yeah. True, you right. And my outfit is given to sit in my car, cause my goal every time I sit in my car, be in my car.
I pink mask and everything.
Every time I sit in my car, or be in my car.
Do y'all all got y'all masks?
Yes, I got my pink mask.
No hugging today.
Okay. Pink mask. Hey y'all, so I'm in the bathroom. This is the fit. Hey y'all, I'm at lunch now. Nothing really going on. I'll talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, so I just got back home from school. I'm about to take off my shoes and take off this whole outfit because it feels really nice today, y'all. I mean, maybe because I had this jacket on, I didn't really feel anything. I'm about to go downstairs because I just got in the house. I need to drink some water. I need to eat a little fruit cup. I need to do a little something. See y'all tomorrow.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be.
Okay, so y'all, I am dressed. Yeah, I'm dressed. I took a shower, everything like that. It is 7:02, I think. Now let me see. 7:04. Oh, why is music playing? 7:04. Is it focusing? Why is it not focusing? Okay, 7:04. And yeah, I'm making it really good in time. My fit is very cute. I'm gonna show y'all the fit in a minute, but I need to know what glasses I should wear. I'm gonna pick this one, I feel like, but we're gonna try this one on just in case to see how I feel about it. Okay, let's see. I have to make sure the glasses go with the fit, because if the glasses don't go with the fit, then it's like, what? These. Yeah. I knew these were gonna go with the fit just because of how they're shaped and how like thick they are, kinda. And these are blue light glasses. I got these from Forever 21. I get all of my blue light glasses from Forever 21. So if you see me with blue light glasses on, they're from Forever 21. I'm confused what's happening. Okay, just gonna put that like that. I need to get my bag. I'm wearing my Telfar bag. These glasses are so cute. Let me get my Telfar bag. Alrighty, so I'm taking it out. So basically all I'm gonna do now is transfer this stuff that's in my Marc Jacobs bag, put it in here, and yeah.
It's alright, baby, it's alright, yeah. Oh, it's alright now. Alright, oh, it's alright, baby, it's alright, yeah. Oh, it's alright now. Alright, oh, it's alright. Drinks when you take it away with me. Yeah, you look.
So my bag is ready. My bag is ready. I need to clean my glasses. Let me get a glasses wipe. It is dark outside on it. My mom is driving me today. Her. Period. Let me put some lip gloss on. Oh, this is the perfume that I'm gonna be using today. It's from Victoria's Secret. I don't know what perfume this is, but it smells good. It's my favorite, like #1 favorite perfume. I carry this everywhere I go. Let me show you the fit. Okay, so we got these blue light glasses, these black blue light glasses. I got these from Forever 21. I got this. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this whole fit is from Forever 21. This shirt is from Forever 21. The black and white shirt that I have underneath this shirt is from Forever 21. This is from Forever 21. This is from Forever 21. I already said that. This jacket is from Forever 21. These, hold up. These are the jeans. Hold up. I know you can't really see the jeans. Hold up. Give me a minute. Don't mind my room. Let me close this. These jeans are from Forever 21. And yeah, the whole fit is from Forever 21. My sneakers, I'm just wearing regular black and white Converses, and this is the bag. And yeah. Yeah. Now but yeah, now I'm just waiting for my mom. I don't know what she's doing. Alright, so we're leaving now. It's raining really hard outside. Hey y'all, so I made it back home from school. My day at school was good. There was a fight today, but it had nothing to do with me, so I don't really care. But there was a fight today. So it was like, after when that fight happened, it was scary today. Like, it was very scary. I mean, ooh, it was really ugly too, to fight. Anyway, that ain't none of my business, because I'm not messy. I'm really not messy. But yeah, there was a fight today. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. But I'm back home. I'm back home. My day at school was good, I guess. I mean my day at school was good. It's cold outside. It was raining earlier. It was raining really, really hard earlier. Then it started to snow while we were in school. And I was thinking that they were gonna allow us to go home early because it's snowing. But no, we didn't. But it's all good. It's cool though. Tomorrow, my teacher said it's supposed to be really, 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 really cold tomorrow. So tomorrow's gonna be the last day of this vlog. I don't really know what I'm gonna title this video, because at first this video was just gonna be like, come back with me to school, but now I just made it into a vlog and we love it. I love it, y'all love it, I know y'all love it, because I am making it interesting. I am trying to do something different that I'm usually not doing on my YouTube channel. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now, I do have math homework. I have some math homework to do, and I don't really have English homework, but I want to do this thing, like this essay for English. Well, I need to do this essay for English, but I can do it in class, but I just want to do it like now. And I might take a nap too while I'm at it, because I am tired. I'm so tired, it's like ridiculous. So I might take a nap too, and I need to find an outfit for tomorrow, and I want my outfit to be really, really, really cute. I want my outfit to be cute because tomorrow's Friday, and I want to end this video with a spectacular outfit. I started the video with a spectacular outfit. I want to end the video with a spectacular outfit. So yeah, I'm not really sure what I want to wear. But we're gonna find something that I should wear in my closet. So I'm gonna let y'all go, and I'll see y'all maybe most likely tomorrow. Hey y'all. Oh, what the? You scared me. My little sister scared me. Hey y'all, so we're running late today, so I can't really like talk as much. It's 7:29. And yeah, so I'll talk to y'all. I don't really know what I'm going to talk to y'all, but yeah, today's outfit is very calm, flex. It's not like too much, but it's doing a little something, okay? So yeah, just got back home from school. I know I didn't vlog in the morning. Well, I didn't really do like vlogging as much in the morning because I was rushing. I was late today, and I thought I was going to get a detention, which I'm not even sure how many lates I have anymore. I'm not even sure. But we're not going to talk about it. But I don't want to be late again. I do not want to be late again. But that was not my fault, because I woke up late. Like, I woke up at 6:50. And then, yeah. But I already knew the fit that I was going to wear. I wanted to, like, this fit is very calm. I was going to do, I wanted to do a little damage. But I didn't do as much damage as I wanted to, because I didn't want to feel rushed and everything like that. But yeah, it's cold outside, like I told y'all. So I just got on this wasn't a part of the fit. I'm just wearing it because I just got inside the house. So yeah, so I just got this black puffer coat on, this purple crew neck, these mint green sweatpants, and let me put y'all down so y'all can see. Don't worry about my bed. My bed is a mess because I was throwing fits. I was literally throwing fits, all different type of fits, but I didn't want to wear it today. So black puffer coat, purple crew neck, mint green sweatpants, and I'm wearing my what are these? I don't even know what these are, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. These are women's Nike Court Row 2 mids. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing on my feet. You can see. And then this is the tote bag to bring the fit all together. For the jewelry, I just have on these gold earrings and this gold necklace. Oh, I did have rings on my fingers too. I have rings on, but I took them off because I had gym. And then my glasses, the gold, because I wanted it to match the whole gold thing, because my rings were gold too. So yeah, that was the fit for today. Yeah, today's a Friday and my weekend begins. So I'm gonna just end the video here. I really hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. If you did enjoy, please make sure you like this video and also comment down below some more videos y'all want to see in 2022 or just in general, okay? But make sure you comment it down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you don't already. Follow me on my Instagram if you don't already. Do all of that stuff, okay? And I'll see you in the next YouTube video.